यूक्रेन तनाज़ा, वज़ीर-ए-आज़म पाकिस्तान इमरान खान के दौरे रूस पर अमरीका ने रद्द अमल दे दिया। तर्जुमान अमरीकी महकमा ख़ारजा के तर्जुमान नेट प्राइस ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा कि पाकिस्तान को यूक्रेन के मामले पर अपनी पोजीशन वाज़े करना होगी।
We're certainly aware of the trip and the points I made earlier about the PRC in some ways apply here. We believe it's a responsibility of every responsible country around the world to voice concern, to voice objection to what Putin appears to have in mind for Ukraine. We've communicated to Pakistan our position regarding Russia's further renewed invasion of Ukraine, and we have briefed them on our efforts to pursue diplomacy over war. We have a long-standing partnership and cooperation with Pakistan. We view our partnership with a prosperous, with a democratic Pakistan as critical to U.S. interests. And
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।